Have you booked your flight with Wizz Air but you're not sure how to check in online? Don't worry, in this video, I'll show you step by step how to do it quickly and easily so you can avoid any airport stress and save money by skipping the check-in desk. Whether you're flying within Europe or further away, online check-in with Wizz Air is simple, and I'm going to guide you through the whole process right now. First, log into your Wizz Air account. Once you're logged in, go to Check-in and Bookings in the menu. Select the flight you want to check in for. Just remember, if you haven't pre-booked your seats, online check-in opens 24 hours before departure. Wait a moment for your flight details to load. Then, click on Start Online Check-in. Select the passengers you want to check in. Then you'll be asked to choose seats. If you don't want to spend extra money, just like during booking, select Choose Random Seat and confirm with Continue with Random Seat. Now choose check-in baggage for each passenger. In our case, we don't need any bags. But if you did, you could simply click on the baggage you want to add. For example, a 10 kilograms bag would cost 13,950 HUF, that's about 35 euros. Since we don't want any checked baggage, we select I don't want a check-in bag. My travel companion also doesn't have any luggage, so I can click Continue. From the list of extra services, I don't see any reason to buy anything, so I simply click Continue. Now it's time to enter the contact details for each passenger. If there's any change to your flight, like a delay or cancellation, Wizz Air will send you updates to the phone number you provide. The next section shows information about items that are not permitted in your cabin bag or checked baggage. If you're flying for the first time, I highly recommend reading this carefully. Once you're done, click the Check-in button. Congratulations! You've successfully completed the online check-in. Now all that's left is to save your boarding passes and head to the airport. You can download them easily by clicking on a Download Boarding Card. Thanks for watching. Have a great flight and see you in the next video.